What steps should I follow to reactivate my deactivated SIM card?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss the steps you need to follow to reactivate your deactivated SIM card. It's a common problem that many of us have faced. Maybe you've been traveling abroad, or perhaps you have simply switched to a different service provider temporarily. Whatever the reason may be, reactivating a SIM card can be a bit confusing. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it.
Understanding why your SIM card might have been deactivated.
Before we get started, it's important to understand why your SIM card might have been deactivated in the first place. Most carriers deactivate SIM cards after a certain period of inactivity. This period varies by provider, but it's usually around 60 to 90 days of non-use. Also, carriers might deactivate your SIM card if your account falls into arrears.
Can all SIM cards be reactivated?
The answer is, unfortunately, no. If your SIM card has been deactivated due to long periods of inactivity, it's usually impossible to reactivate it. The number associated with the SIM card is often recycled and issued to a new customer. However, if your SIM card has been deactivated because of payment issues, it can usually be reactivated once you've cleared any outstanding dues.
Steps to reactivate your SIM card.
Alright, let's get into the actual process of reactivation. 1. Contact your service provider. This is the first and most crucial step. Each provider will have their own policy regarding SIM card reactivation, and they're the best source of information. 2. Provide necessary details. You will need to provide the details tied to the SIM card, such as the phone number, your name, and other related information. 3. Pay any outstanding charges. If your SIM was deactivated due to non-payment, make sure to clear your dues. 4. Request reactivation. Once all the details have been sorted out, you can request your service provider to reactivate your SIM card. 5. Wait for reactivation. After you've done your part, it's time to wait. The time it takes for the reactivation process can vary depending on your service provider.
What if my SIM card can't be reactivated?
In case your SIM card can't be reactivated, you will need to acquire a new SIM card from your service provider. Depending on your provider, this could be free or you may have to pay a small fee. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should be able to reactivate your deactivated SIM card without any hassle. However, if your SIM card cannot be reactivated, do not worry. You can always get a new one. Remember, the key is to stay in regular contact with your service provider. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.